Now fans of Winnie the Pooh have some help in learning how to draw his best friend Piglet. He's made from some simple shapes, so I'm sure I can help you make a drawing that looks just like him. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. And here are the supplies we need to make this drawing. Just a pencil, black marker, paper, and some crayons. You can also find a download link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you could also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1, let's start with Piglet's head shape, which is centered right on that middle line. I'll make some marks so you can see how tall and wide that shape should be. It's just kind of like an oval with cheek shapes on the side. Start at the top and draw one side, and then make the other match it. Step number 2, the face comes next. He has a sideways nose and 2 small eyes on either side of it. Oh, and 2 little eyebrows need to go above those eyes. Step number 3, Piglet has a kind of cartoon mouth that is open wide with the tongue inside and has a small lip line below it. Step number 4, he also has 2 rather large ears that stand straight up, one on the right side and a matching one on the left side. Step number 5, Piglet's body begins with a tall, kind of bent U shape like this. Step number 6, he has some simple arms. I'm going to draw them straight up so he looks excited. The left one does overlap the body a little bit, so it needs that line to be erased when you're done. The right arm is even easier to draw because it's behind his head a little bit. Step number 7, his legs are also pretty easy to draw. There's one on the left side that just has a big round foot, and a leg on the right side, which is just a little behind the other one. Step number 8. All we need to do now is add some stripes on Piglet's shirt. I'm going to draw about 6 lines or so. They're curved just a little bit to make him look a little more round. Step number 9. The drawing is done, so it's time to get out that black marker and start tracing over all of those pencil lines. Now, before you put that black marker away, it's the perfect tool to fill in the dark shadow in his mouth. When the tracing with the marker is done, it's good to take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. To color Piglet, we now just need 2 pink crayons. I'm going to start with a lighter shade for his body, and then a darker pink color for his shirt, his nose, and that tongue. Do try to press hard with this crayon so the color looks different than the light pink body. And that is how easy it is to draw Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. If you ask me, he looks just like he does in his books and movies. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more fun drawing lessons, including how to draw Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore too. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.